Fusion Tutor works on any device: mobile phones, tablets, laptops and desktops. Any device that has a browser. Fusion Tutor is also multilingual. Users can choose from 110 languages to navigate round the platform. And of course, the language translation is there for parents too. Dashboard panels can be customised and moved around. And there's a button layout for our younger users, with a range of engaging backgrounds and themes. There's also high contrast theme support, for those that need it. Logging in is easy. Users can link their account with any of their existing accounts, and younger users can log in with a colour and an animal. And you can, of course, apply your own branding. Fusion's designed with your entire learner community in mind.